So yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to draw a cycloid. So this is the basic paper here. We're going to talk about how to draw a cycloid. So the first thing you need to do, given the measurements at which we're given the measurements of diameter 60 millimeter, that is equals to radius 30 millimeter. So on our t square we are going to measure 30 millimeter radius, that is 3 centimeter. Then we take it at any point in the paper, we draw a circle. We draw a circle this way and we try to make it light. So we draw a circle over here. So when we draw a circle, now this dots over here is the center of our circle. That is the point where there's a dot. We draw an horizontal line over it. So we take an horizontal line over it. Then after drawing an horizontal line, we use our set square to draw a vertical line. So after this, what we are trying to achieve here is we are trying to divide the cycloid into 12 places. So first of all, we use our 60-degree angle on both sides to draw a diagonal line, our 60-degree angle to draw a diameter here, and also the other 60-degree angle from this side, we draw it there. After that, we do the same for our 30-degree angle, on both sides. Our 30-degree angle on both sides. So now that we have drawn our 30-degree angle on both sides, then we label it 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is also 12, but we can just leave it like this, 0 and 12. So that is it for that. Then the next thing we do is we want to take this circumference and draw it in a straight line. So we use the formula for the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. So when we do 2 pi r and the radius of the circle is 30 millimeter, if we do 2 pi r, we are going to get it as 188.4 millimeter. So that is 18.4. So from here we can just go yeah, we come down here, 18.4 millimeter. Now that way I think we can do that and that will be okay. Yeah, so that is it for that place. So now after drawing our 188 millimeter, then what we are trying to do is we draw a straight line, then we measure our 188.4 on the ruler. That is 188.4. That is 18.84. That is equals to 18.84. So that is from here we just mark it at 18.84. This is 18.8. So we can just leave it as 18.8. So that is our point here. Then that is the edge of the line. We'll draw a perpendicular line from there and we take it up. So that is, we stop there for now. So we know that this is the edge, this is the end of the line. Then the next thing we do is that we divide the line by into 12 places. So we take our calculator over here, we type our 118, that is 188.4, in which it gives us, then divide it by 12. That is equals to 15.7, and in centimeter that is 1.57. So now that we have measured our 1.57, we can decide to use our ruler, whatever way, and mark out 1.57, which is one around close to 1.6. So 1.57 somewhere here, we mark it. That is number one. So 1.57. Yeah. So now that we have done all our 1.57, if you count it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? It has successfully been divided into 12 places. So first thing we do, let us first close our upper bound, which is over here. Then we close it here. So then after that, we draw our our vertical lines straight up. That is from one year we take it up, from 2 year we take it up. Yeah. So now that is the division of it. Then the next thing we do is to draw horizontal lines from every of these single points, but it usually laps each other. 1 and 11 laps, 2 and 10 laps each other, so they would actually be on the same line. So we draw that straight to the edge. Then from 2 and 10, we take that straight. From 3 and 9, we take that straight. We take that straight. Yeah. And so that is how we draw this over here. So then we label this as C1, then C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, and C12. So now, ensuring that we have the measurements from year to year and we still have it on our, that is our 30 millimeter. So from every center here, from C1, we mark the point at line 1 that is moving horizontally. So we mark it on line 1. We move to C2 and mark it on line 2. Move to C3 and mark it on line 3. C4, mark it on line 4. C5, mark it on line 5. C6, now C6 is going to end up here, so that means that is at the top here. We do not need to mark it anymore. Then we move to C7. C7 from over here has the same line as C4, so we mark it. Then we have C8. We have our C8 over here. C9, our C9 is here. Our C10 is here, and our C of 11, we mark it here. So now we have done our markings, and the next thing we do is to bring out our French curve to finalize our drawings. So bringing in the French curves, we try to join the marks together. We make sure that Yeah. So now this is the end, and this is how to draw a cycloid. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much.